What's going on, everybody? So, as you guys can see right now, we are at 8Z2345. We're going to be talking about what's going on next inside the prices here for Baby Doge. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. Now, before we even talk about this, I want to let everybody know, because people seem to still not understand this in the comment section. I trade Baby Doge. I don't just hold for long term and all that. I trade. I'm in, I'm out, I'm in, I'm out, I'm in, I'm out. It just gets annoying. People commenting saying he's been saying it's pumping, blah blah blah, but it's not pumping. Like, it's pumping for me. Like, this right here is a pump. So I trade. So I talk about what I'm doing in my trade. So when I'm saying it's pumping, obviously just now pumped. That was a trade that I made. Anyways, I just gotta say this and make that disclaimer, because a lot of people just still don't understand. Like, I say this all the time. I trade Baby Doge. I don't hold. I trade. I hold. Come on. I trade. I don't hold. Y'all even confusing me now. But look, I trade it. I don't hold it. That's the end of the story. But yeah, let's just talk about what's going on with Baby Doge right now. Right now we're at 8Z2348. So what am I waiting to do next for this trade? Well, I'm using the chart prime indicators right now. I do believe that it might actually pull back down to this discounted price point level somewhere around 8Z2100. And the reason why I think that is because, well, for one, that's where our chart prime indicators are right now. And this is a significant support that we usually drop to once we start getting lower volume. And I actually noticed that our volume is slowing down in Baby Doge. Our volume right now is at $17.1 million. So that's pretty low. So that's why I'm kind of watching it and seeing what happens next. We dropped all the way down to 19 million when we went down to 8Z2200, and now we're back up to 8Z2300. So I want to see where we're going to go next, because the volume has been relatively low here for Baby Doge. So it's pretty interesting to see. Now, Bitcoin has had a recovery. So, it is what it is when it comes to Baby Doge. But if Bitcoin starts pulling back again, then it's going to bring everything else back with it, including Baby Doge. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. That's what I'm watching out for. Bitcoin's still up 32% in the last 30 days. So Bitcoin's still the winner amongst all the cryptos still. But yeah, I'm waiting to see what happens next here with Bitcoin, because even the volume for Bitcoin is actually pretty low, because the Bitcoin's volume, like previously, was fairly high. But yeah, now it's getting a little bit lower. As you can see, Bitcoin's volume was averaging around 94 billion when we're at that peak. And then when we were pumping hard, it was like 150 billion. So right now, Bitcoin's volume is at 60 billion. So that's significantly lower than what it was before. So everything's volume is kind of pulling back. All the crypto volumes are pulling back and getting lower and lower right now. So it looks like people are kind of standing by right now. So it's also the holidays. So you also got to think about it, with it being Thanksgiving. A lot of people aren't just sitting around trading all day. They're, with their families. So that also might be playing another part inside of this. But it's also Black Friday tomorrow. A lot of people are going to be spending a lot of money. So maybe they took some of the money out so then they can, buy presents and stuff, and buy stuff at a discounted price. So I think that also is playing a part inside of this. So that's very important to notice. But yeah, I do believe it's going to be pulling back to 8Z2100. That's just what I believe right now. So I'm going to keep a watch out for that. Keep an eye out for it, and I'll let you guys know what we get there. As for our holders, we went from 2 weeks ago, we went from 1,868,002 holders all the way to 1,869,288 holders. So all in all, we got about 1,200 new holders inside of 2 weeks. So that's pretty good. Most of it came because of the Solana bridge thing. But this is all on Binance. And then on Solana, we got 677 holders on Solana. So it's pretty decent. It was like 200 holders on that launch, but now it's at 677. So as time goes on, we're going to keep getting more and more holders that are going to the Solana bridge, the Solana side of things. So I'll keep you all posted on that. But I really just felt like the biggest thing that I really wanted to talk about today was, like, I'm trading Baby Doge. I'm not holding it. I'm trading it. I don't know how many times I have to say that. because people still don't understand it. And I don't know. It's just it's ridiculous. I know none of you would understand because you don't have a YouTube channel, but you really start to question some of the people's. I don't even want to say it. I was gonna say question some of the people's intelligence. Just people just saying Marcellus is a scammer, blah blah blah. He keeps talking about how Baby Doge is going up. He keeps talking about how he's making money on Baby Doge. How you making money? It's not even going up. They're like Baby Doge isn't going up. Blah blah blah. Because I trade Baby Doge. So actually, I'm gonna be making a video soon talking about whether or not Baby Doge is meant to be traded or held, because I'm at this standpoint right now where I'm like looking at it and I'm like, I think Baby Doge might just be one of those coins that is just meant to be traded. Like, it has a huge following, it has a huge fan base, a lot of people like it. And also, a lot of people say I promote Baby Doge. I don't promote Baby Doge. I literally make videos talking about where it's gonna go, like the prices, because I'm trading it. Like, I'm literally like, I question people's intelligence, and some people are just mentally challenged. Like, they're stupid. Like, I can't even fathom how stupid some people are. Like, come on. Like, if I was promoting it, I'd be getting paid, and I'd be like, go buy Baby Doge, go buy Baby Doge, go buy Baby Doge. Baby Doge is the best coin ever. Go buy it, go buy it. I always tell people, do not buy it. I tell people, if you don't have much money, you don't have no business buying it. I always tell people, there's other coins. There's literally a lot better coins out there. I never promote it. I literally always talk about how I trade it. And when I do these videos, I talk about when the prices are increasing. I'm like, the price is about to increase because what did it just now do? It increased. Why am I talking about that? Because I'm trading it. People are literally so stupid, and I want to say some other stuff, but I don't want to get demonetized from YouTube. But yeah, I don't even want to talk about those idiots anymore. But anyways, I'm gonna be making a video talking about whether or not Baby Doge should be held or whether or not Baby Doge should just be traded. And right now, I'm believing it should just be traded. It's just how I see it. But we'll see. We'll see how things go with the project. Because like I was saying before I got caught up on the stupid people out there being stupid, it has a huge following. It has a lot of people following it. You're right. It has a lot of holders. A lot of volatility. Look at this. Like, it goes up huge and then it'll go right back down to that same price. That is the perfect setup for the trades. Like, this right here is the perfect setup for trades. I was actually about to buy here, but I decided not to because I really wasn't paying attention to the charts. I was just doing my own thing. Wasn't really paying attention to the charts much. But I seen it hit this point, and for some reason, I still believe it's going to go down to the discounted price point. I just didn't expect it to immediately recover like that. So yeah, whenever I'm not sure about a trade, I don't pull the trigger on it. I'm like, nope. I just sit there and wait for the next opportunity. So that would have been a good opportunity right there, but I decided not to take that because it didn't seem right. It just didn't seem right to make that trade. So I'm gonna wait until it goes down a little bit if it does go down here. But yeah, like, this is the perfect recipe for trades. Like, this is a good setup right here. That was a really good setup. Like, right at the bottom of our supply and demand area, right at our equilibrium price point, and then it went all the way up to the premium price point and stopped there, and then it pulled right back. That was the perfect setup to make some money. Like, there's so many perfect setups here for Baby Doge. This right here, the same thing. That was a perfect setup to make money on Baby Doge. This back here, that was the perfect setup to make money. Like, there's a lot of cases where, like, you can make some nice money on Baby Doge. So I'm really feeling like it should just be traded, because I do also notice, and like, I'm obviously not calling everybody in Baby Doge stupid. It's just the people that always talk about how I'm promoting Baby Doge. Those people are just literally stupid. They're stupid. That's all I can really say about them. But the reason why I was saying that, though, is because, like, the thing with Baby Doge is it hasn't held a good price. It just hasn't held a good price, right? So this is like the perfect setup for trading, because it's always up and then it's always down. It's always up and always down. So I just noticed, what's the point of holding and never seeing any benefits? Because there's a lot of people that have been in Baby Doge from the jump, and like, those people are getting discouraged because they've held Baby Doge since the beginning. It's been 3 years, and those people are still holding, and they're really upset about that. And I completely understand why you would be upset about that. Like I even got upset like holding baby doge for such a long time that I started trading it. And that's kind of why I'm coming out and be like, maybe it is the best idea to trade it rather than holding it. And a lot of people are starting to feel the same way because we got the Binance listing, but the Binance listing, all it really did is add a volume to baby doge to the point where it doesn't go below certain prices. And that volume is still looking good, but we really haven't seen like a huge pump. Like we're in a bull market right now. Bitcoin was taking off and baby doge did nothing. So what else is it gonna take? The only next larger thing that we can get would be like a Coinbase listing, which it would go absolutely crazy. Uh Robinhood listing, you'll get the full force of the other markets, like the stock market. I don't know if Robinhood would list something with so much supply. I don't know. But if we got like a Robinhood listing and a Coinbase listing, then yeah, it would go up. But would it hold that price is what I'm saying. And this comes back to the question, is it meant to be traded or held? Because let's say we get listed to Coinbase and Robinhood and it goes up to the previous all-time high, but then it drops back down to 8Z3 and then eventually back down to 8Z2. And then you're back to where you started. So it's seeming like it's better to make trades. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm just talking about what's best for me. And it's best for me to trade this. Now, whether or not it's best for you to hold or trade, I don't know. That's up to you. Whether or not you should even be in Baby Doge or buy Baby Doge, I don't know. That's up to you. Because I don't promote it. I'm not a promoter of Baby Doge. I literally don't even own any Baby Doge right now because I'm trading it and I'm not in on the project right now. I'm waiting for a good buying opportunity. I literally have never promoted it and I've never been paid to promote baby doge. People are just idiots. But anyways, see, I'm going off on a tangent on that again. But for the actual baby doge holders who actually have brain cells, shout out to all y'all. I understand why y'all are getting frustrated for holding this for so long and not seeing any type of reward or any type of gain. So that raises the question, should it be traded or should it not? I don't know. We'll do a whole live stream on that. But nonetheless, this is all I got for this video. I think this would be a good discussion for a live stream though. So I'm gonna set up a live stream. I want to see what everyone else thinks. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. But anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment in the comment section. Shout out to all the people out there with more than half a brain cell. And then for all the ones that don't have any brain cells, and that are just saying stupid stuff like Marcellus promotes baby doge, Marcellus is a gamer, Marcellus is a baby doge developer. For all those people, like y'all can I don't know, y'all can keep making your crazy theories, kick rocks. I don't really care. But anyway, shout out to everybody out there in the baby doge army. Make your own decisions. That's the best way to do it. And as always, I'll be back with another video.